Avocado pudding is so good. Honestly, I can't wait to finish this video so that I can eat it. Hello, darlings. I missed you so much. I hope everybody is doing absolutely wonderful. So I guess I should welcome you guys to the brand new food section of my channel. Fun fact, I am actually a phenomenal cook, if I do say so myself. I absolutely love food. I love going out to eat. I love making food. I love trying different things. So food is definitely in my heart and in my soul, and I love it so much. So here I am, about to make some food. For today's video, I am going to be making and trying Kourtney Kardashian's avocado pudding. It's something that Kourtney eats. She normally eats it before her workout in the morning. It's a good way for her to get her protein in before the gym. Does it taste good? It looks good. I mean, I love avocado and it's a really pretty green color, so I'm really hoping that mine turns out pretty and green like hers. I'm like thinking in my head, watch this avocado suck and it turns out like dark. He's so sad. Okay, so enough of me rambling on about literally nothing. Obviously, you are going to need a avocado, some non-dairy milk. Today I'm using vanilla almond milk. It's one of my favorite almond milks ever. I hate almond milk so much. I think it's disgusting. I hate the way it tastes. I hate everything about it. But I love this almond milk. This is the only brand that I like. This is the only almond milk that I will actually drink. This is the one. Some protein. She uses bone broth protein powder. This is just 100% whey vanilla protein from Muscle Milk. If you're a vegan, you probably should get a vegan one. I was gonna buy a nice little pretty one for this video and just for myself, but protein powder is expensive, so I figured I'll just use my boyfriend's. Thanks a lot, babe. Next ingredient that I got for this is Amazing Grass. She puts in hers E3 live blue-green algae, right? There are a lot of people who do this avocado pudding and don't put this ingredient in at all, but there's somebody else that I saw that put, okay, I can't say this word for some reason. It's spirulina. I went to Whole Foods to go look for spirulina, and they only had tablets. They were sold out of all the powders. I'm like, oh my god, what am I gonna do? I need to make this video. So I found this packed with 25 billion probiotics. So this is a powder. It has spirulina in it. It also has blue-green algae. So I figured that this is the best one for me to get. It has kale, it has dandelion, it has kelp. Next. Totally optional is some sort of sweetener. Honey, stevia, whatever you want. I don't care. This is what I'm using, agave. Unsweetened coconut flakes. It doesn't say to use this, but I just feel like this will go really good on top. I'm gonna go right ahead and start making our avocado pudding, which is why you all are here anyways. I'm going to be using my NutriBullet. You can use whatever kind of blender you have. Totally doesn't matter. I have a Ninja too. That would be great. This is just more convenient for me over here. We are gonna start with taking our avocado. We're just gonna cut it. This avocado better be gorgeous, or else I'm gonna be really upset. I don't wanna look. You guys look first. Yay! A beautiful avocado. We're gonna put the entire avocado into this pudding. Do you guys ever have the same problem? Like whenever I actually need that avocado for that day, and like I need an avocado ready to just rock and roll and party, they're never ready. It's like they're always super green. They're never ready to be eaten. Really could have used a bigger knife for this. Just kidding, I'm a professional. You know, I make really good avocado french fries. Actually, now that I'm thinking about avocado, I make really good avocado cookies and they're super healthy. Share them with you guys one day. Here is our gorgeous cup of avocados. A cup of almond milk. This is when you go ahead and add the good stuff. I'm gonna do 1 scoop of this, a scoop of protein powder, and add some of my agave in here. Now we're gonna go ahead and blend. The fun part. Are you ready? Because I'm not ready. Very hard finding like a good stand because my boyfriend took the camera stand, so we're gonna go ahead and add our coconut flakes. And there we have it. Isn't she beautiful? She's so pretty. Okay guys, so I guess that we should taste it now, huh? Okay, I'm very nervous. Scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the best. I'm gonna have to say this is a 9.5. You cannot even taste its powder at all. You can't taste it at all. Avocado, you can't really taste it. This is a great way to like hide things that you should be having. I would say that avocado pudding is definitely something that you need to try. It's so good. That's all I have for this video. That's all I have to say. Even though I rambled on forever about avocado pudding, I'm going to have to cut so much of this video out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed something different on my channel, and give it a thumbs up if you liked it, if you liked this food stuff. And of course, if you did not like this video for some crazy reason, then whatever. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so excited. There's food on my channel. Yeah! And I'll see you guys next time. I also wanted to throw in something that she has twice a day, and that is apple cider vinegar. While I'm making this, I would make myself a little cocktail. So to kind of water it down, because apple cider vinegar straight up is, I don't know, that just, no. I just have leftover water from Starbucks. Go ahead and do is open this. I'm going to cut some lemon. Lemon is totally up to you. I just feel like this is going to make it taste a little bit better. We're gonna put some lemon in there. And then I'm going to be taking apple cider vinegar, and make sure that when you do this, it's with the mother. The mother is just, what's the word I'm looking for? When it has with the mother, that just means that it has strands of protein, enzymes, and friendly bacteria that are really beneficial to our bodies. So, you know, why not? Just add it, just do it. And put it in here, mix it. It's not bad. Could do just a little capful of apple cider vinegar on its own, but I feel like when it's mixed into this, it kind of tastes like kombucha. Good way. Oh, I can't talk today, I quit. Something that she likes to eat, who am I? Mike from the Jersey Shore? Because he always says like things with S's. He's like, oh, let's go get some foods. I'm going to the bathrooms. And it annoys me so much. Anyways, you can't be a part of this video, okay? You just can't.